Okay, here we go. Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. This is the AA series, Rahn Larmon engine lathe. We're gonna make a gear cover for this gear section right here. Luckily, see those two holes right there? We already have some nice threaded female holes. They're 7/16, so we're gonna utilize those too, so we can cover this gear section here. I already have everything cut up, ready to go. Here's the bolts. They look like so. They just need to be cut down to this size. Here we got some sheet steel, 14 gauge sheet steel. A piece of angled bracket right here. This angled bracket is 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch and an 1/8 inch thick. And then we got two pieces of sheet steel here. This is going to be the top section and it's going to go like so. We just need to weld this puppy up so we can cover these gears up here. Okay, we just got done spot welding the first two pieces. That piece of angled bracket. Fitting it, and she fits nice. This is the top section and the bracket, angled bracket right here. So it fits really good so far. And we just got 3 little taps into it here, spots into it. So let's finish her up. The piece we just did, here's the top section, and then this piece is gonna go right over here like so. So we just gotta weld that piece on. This piece here, so this piece here, there's a couple spots over here in the back. Okay, we got this thing welded up here. She's almost done. We got the big front piece welded to the top piece. There's the top, and the top piece is welded to that angle piece. There's going to be holes going through here, through the front, so that you can put the bolts in, no problem. So far, the gear cover box. And this is to make sure we don't have no swarf or dirt going all over it when we're going crazy, making something on here. I'm going to put a door right here, and then a hole here to access that bolt over there, to screw it in and out easier if need be, and then a tab I'm going to put over here so to screw this in so that it's not moving around like so. It has a little bit of blue paper towel because I put that inside the socket, the 7/16 socket, to help it line up and get straight, and it worked perfectly. And lastly, we put this little tab. I welded a tab right over here. This tab, I welded in and put a hole so that it could be bolted to the side of the transmission box of the lathe. So it's attached here and here. So all I need to do is I'm going to work on a hinge so that it can be hinged from here, and then it'll close right here. Here we got some black 4-inch T-hinges. They're powder coated. That's this we're going to use right over here on the inside there. So the door will be able to swing closed here, and then it'll be able to swing all the way open so that you can have access here to change positioning or to have access to the bolt. Okay, we got the hinges ready for the gear cover. It's real simple. We just sanded off the powder coating, and then we just cut the little ear off there because the ears were like, so we just grinded them off and then did a little bit of sanding. Okay, we're working on the door. Here's the door. It looks like the letter E, so it's an E door. It's gonna go on these hinges right over here. We just have some 1-inch C-clamps holding them in place. The E door is gonna be welded to these guys here so that the door can swing open. Finally got the E door done, made out of metal, of course, 14 gauge. Took a lot of grinding, a lot of files, but she fits like a glove right there, just really nicely. So we just got to put her on the hinges, and hopefully she'll hinge open. Good. This was missing. There was originally a gear cover here because there was 2 holes that were already threaded back there. We're utilizing one of them for the gear cover that we made. So here she is. Feed rod, lead screw. So you can disconnect the feed rod or you can engage the feed rod right over here with this roundish lever.